Here's a question for you. What can possibly be more dangerous than jumping from an aircraft from 7,500 metres without a parachute and trying to land in a net? Well, according to the people at Guinness World Records, it's trying to stay awake. So for safety concerns, they've stopped recognising attempts to break the world record for going without sleep, which is currently set at 264 hours. Now, I'm not going to try that, but as you might know, I'm going to try and break the world record for the longest lecture, which is currently 139 hours, 42 minutes and 56 seconds. That's a lecture lasting over 5.5 days. Now, I had to delay the attempt from last year due to COVID restrictions, but I am very pleased and excited to announce that I'll now be starting at noon on Saturday, the 11th of September this year, subject to restrictions. And that will be at the University of East Anglia. And if all goes to plan, I will finish shortly after 7:43 in the morning on Friday, the 17th of September. What am I going to talk about? Well, space, of course. It's going to be the ultimate space lecture, and it will cover everything from the moon to galaxies and aliens to black hole. It's all going to be streamed online, so stay tuned. Check out the updates at markthompsonastronomy.com/GWR, where you can sign up to our mailing list, subscribe to the YouTube channel where the event will be streamed, and you can make that all-important donation to Bernardo's, who I'm raising money for throughout the event. So that's it. I'll have more for you very soon.